Hello, you're on InstaForex TV channel where you can learn about the latest financial market news. I'm Kate Tichina. Yesterday, traders were overwhelmed by the EIA report on crude oil inventories in the United States. The report showed that the stockpiles of crude oil in the United States surged by almost 6.5 million barrels last week at a much faster pace than expected. Analysts predicted a rise of 1,600,000 barrels, while markets expected the stockpiles to decrease in line with the API data. Unexpected downbeat news triggered a sell-off in the oil market. As a result, WTI prices plunged by 2.7% to the level of $70 per barrel. Today, the commodity continues sliding. At the pre-market of the American session, WTI was valued at $69 per barrel. At the same time, the Brent crude oil also depreciated significantly. Its quotes fell below the level of $80 per barrel. However, the North Sea benchmark is stronger than WTI. Traders acknowledged that the United States is ramping up oil production ahead of imposing embargo on shipments of Iranian oil. Thus, the balance of global supplies in the oil market may change soon. A fall in oil prices dented the commodity currencies. Furthermore, the US dollar is extending gains. As a result, the Canadian dollar lost over 2.7% overnight, unsupported by oil prices. The USD cut pay approached the level of 1.3040. Even the upbeat manufacturing sales report from Canada failed to provide enough support to the loonie. Today, traders will observe the ADP jobs data. On the other hand, the ruble traders are in a good mood today. The tax period in Russia provides support to the national currency. The USD rupee is hovering near the level of 65.50. Elvira Nabiullina's comments also boosted a rise in the ruble. The head of the Bank of Russia spoke about readiness to intervene in the currency market and buy the government bonds in case risk increase. The European currencies are volatile as well. We will tell you about it in our next edition. Stay tuned for more news.